Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to join a lobby in Shift at Midnight. To join a lobby, hit play, then hit join lobby. Here you'll be taken to public lobbies. Here you can filter the lobbies to show them if they are protected by password, endless mode, story mode, post story mode, show full lobbies. You can refresh the list and simply find the lobby you wish to play in. If you are having trouble finding your friend's lobby, once let me show you. Make sure that the name you are looking for is correct, and if they start the lobby, they can also invite friends through Steam, so you can join that way. If you aren't playing through Steam, I guess, I don't know how, because I think this game is only on Steam, then you will need to go through the lobby browser. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.